The next generation of the Ulefone armor pad is here again and has been upgraded from the standard version to the Pro. Now it's called the Armor Pad 3 Pro and it comes with a lot of new things, featuring the world's largest ever tablet battery, a staggering 33,280 mAh delivers 2 months on standby time. There is also up to 60GB of RAM, 256GB of internal memory, HDMI port, 50 megapixel main camera, 10.36 2K screen, and let's not forget the device back panel features the 1100 lumen camping lights. There is much more, so be sure to watch this Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro video review. The next generation of the Ulefone armor pad is here again, and this tablet has been upgraded from the standard version to the Pro. Now it's called Armor Pad 3 Pro. Also with our tablet we got some accessories that can be bought separately and do not come in this standard package, and these are this hand strap with the kickstand and this excellent extended sound kit with stand made exclusively for the Armor Pad 3 series of tablets. All that we will look at it and try a little later, and now let's start unboxing the tablet. This is our tablet, and for now it's going a bit to the side until we check the contents of this box. So we have a SIM pin for opening SIM tray, a lot of paperwork including this Armor Pad 3 Pro user manual written in many languages, multifunctional instructions and bunch of other instructions for this tablet, as well as this brochure that shows all the accessories you can buy with this tablet, such as the various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases, holders and much more that Ulefone offers. Here is USB Type-C yellow cable for charging, 66 watt super fast charger, a screwdriver which will be used to screw this leather electric holder into our tablet. This holder, it serves as an excellent holder, especially somewhere at the work or in the field where is a need to hold the tablet in one hand for practicality, so definitely this holder is a very useful accessory. Okay, that was the contents of this sales package. Now let's take a closer look at our tablet. The Armor series tablet has always been designed for outdoor workers. They need a rugged, large screen device to assist them in their work. The Armor Pad 3 Pro, the newest model, doesn't look much different from its predecessor. With a closer look, you can still see quite a few upgrades compared to the previous model. The most obvious ones, with the significantly increase in battery capacity, are those two big LED lights. The Pad 2 only has one LED light. At the first glance, we can conclude that the Armor Pad 3 Pro is a really robust and powerful tablet. We can say that this isn't a massive tablet, but they had to put a massive 33,280 mAh battery somewhere, and that's the fact. Considering such a large battery, this tablet is still relatively thin at only 21.2 mm. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions while still delivering mega performance, and holds the title as one of the best and most impressive rugged tablets made in 2024 for now. As with all Ulefone products, the quality and the finish of the production itself is brought to the perfection. So on this side we find the volume up and down button. Next to it is a power button, which is also the fingerprint reader. Under this rubber cover that guarantees water resistance, there is USB Type-C charging port, as well as the always welcome 3.5mm headphone jack. Down there we can see the speaker grills. We can find the same ones on the opposite side, so what you can expect and get is excellent and very loud stereo sound on this tablet. Here under the rubber cover we also find the HDMI port, in which you can effortlessly connect multiple devices, delivering superior video and audio quality from the tablet. We still have this entrance where there is a SIM tray with as many of 3 slots, 2 for the 4G SIM cards and 1 for the memory card of up to 2 TB. we find the smart expansion connector that serves to make Armor Pad 3 Pro a more professional device for work to connect with endoscope, microscope and other equipment. On this side we find this orange metal perforated button. This programmable button can be customized to perform various functions with the tablet and compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. So this one button here, there is 3 different functions according to our wishes. Right next to it we find a button that turns on these 2 huge LED lights on the back, with which we can also change these 3 light intensity levels. These 2 LEDs give 1100 lumens each, so the Armor Pad 3 Pro can be used as a multifunctional lighting tool that serves as a flashlight, headlight or portable camping light thanks to these double built LED lights. With just a simple step of one key light button or through the exclusive app, you can access a bright, durable light source instantly. In the app you can modify the mode and the intensity of the lighting, as well as determine the duration of the light. The Armor Pad 3 Pro has only one camera and LED flash on the back. It's a very good 50 megapixel main camera that most of you will be satisfied with it. The camera takes decent photos as well as videos of up to 1080 pixel resolution at 30 fps with ACE function. Now, to get the feel for camera performance, it's the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our Armor Pad 3 Pro tablet, so let's take a look. From the back between the LEDs we can also find these audio output extension pins through which can connect this extended sound kit with the stand mentioned at the beginning. This sound kit is purchased separately. This multimedia stands consist of the 2 9-watt speakers with a maximum volume of 140 decibels and a frequency range of 120 to 1500 Hz. This sound kit effortlessly connects to the Armor Pad 3 Pro through the 8-pin connector on the back, which is also used as a tablet holder. The synchronized colors pulsing to the beat with entrance, the dazzling LED lights show with the competitive UIs, providing you with immersive audiovisual experience whenever you desire. What can I say, with this accessory and the Armor Pad 3 Pro tablet you can become a real mini DJ on the every gathering with friends. Definitely an accessory that I recommend you to buy if you purchase Armor Pad 3 Pro. Speaking of accessories, in addition to the Armor Pad 3 Pro, we can also buy this kind of combination of a hard strap and kickstand that can customize for fit comfortably around your hand, providing secure and strain-free use. Meanwhile, the kickstand securely holds the tablet in place, whether it's in use or on the move. It also features a 360-degree rotation, allowing you to find the perfect screen viewing angle for any situation. Although it's only 60Hz display, this is certainly one of the better screens that you can get in this field of rugged tablets. With a 10.36-inch display, delivers IPS FHD Plus resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels with a display of up to 60.7 million colors from even 500 nit brightness and 225 ppi. You can enjoy any content on the tablet while providing a quality visual experience. Excellent front 32-megapixel Samsung camera lens will help you to stay in touch with your loved ones in the highest resolution, perfectly handling all your video calls and meetings. The initial attention grabber for me was this display of striking colors, which appear more vibrant than one might anticipate from a budget-friendly tablet. Even black levers hold up quite well. The touchscreen technology quickly registers every touch, swipe and gesture with remarkable precision, promptly translating your intentions into actions. While on a sunny day, the screen does not fade and remains reliable because it has a brightness of even 500 nits. Gorilla Glass 5 protection not only boosts screen durability but also provides peace of mind, allowing you to use your tablet confidently without fearing minor scratches or cracks. The combination of size, resolution and color accuracy makes a versatile and enjoyable screen for a wide range of activities both at work and in the field as well as the home. Running the softer side, Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is based on the latest Pure Android 30, so we cover with the all latest Google features and possibilities. In addition, it supports NFC, Bluetooth 4.2, Dual 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, also features a comprehensive 3-in-1 navigation system supporting GPS, GLONASS and Galileo positioning. Although the Pad 3 Pro comes with a slightly more modest chip than its last year's predecessor, it's still very smooth and relatively fast, effortlessly handling tasks and applications without noticeable lag. You can even enjoy a wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the MT8788 octa-core processor, which is a mix of powerful hardware plus 4G LTE modem integrated in a power-efficient 12nm technology, all operating up to 2 GHz. Graphics is provided by a high-capable ARM-Mali G72MP3 GPU operating of up to 800 MHz, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia, providing a seamless, energy-conscious experience that ensures sufficient gameplay across most games, but don't expect any miracles here. Now delving into the memory configuration, the Armor Pad 3 Pro sets a new standard with the excellent 8GB base RAM, and it gets even more impressive by utilizing the extended 8GB RAM feature. It can reach a huge 16GB of RAM in total, which further accelerates and makes work on this tablet even more fluid. In terms of storage, the tablet offers 256GB of rapid UFS 2.2 storage, expandable of up to massive 2TB for those seeking additional storage space. Furthermore, featuring the world's largest ever tablet battery with a capacity of 33,280 mAh, guarantees extended hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming. Of course, all this with the support of even 66W fast charging and 10W reverse wireless charging with OTG function. With this massive battery, the Armor Pad 3 Pro provides power for 10 days without interruption. In practice, the battery will allow 181 hours of talking time and even 1812 hours of standby time. Let's not forget how Armor Pad 3 Pro ensures the high standards of durability, IP68 and IP69K ratings, waterproofness and dust protected MIL-STD-810H military standard of drop resistance. Armor Pad 3 Pro behaves like a warrior under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough handling works. Integrated injection molding provides the extra shell strength and sturdy features, better waterproof and dust resistant performance. The raised frame design offers more reliable protection, making the ideal companion for outdoor adventures. The Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is a rugged and versatile tablet designed for extreme environments and outdoor use. Its standout feature is a massive 33,280 mAh battery, offering up to 2 months of standby time and a 66-watt fast charging. The tablet also features the two incredibly powerful 1100 lumen camping lights with adjustable intensity. Additional accessories such as the hand strap with the kickstand and the extended sound kit give a dose of uniqueness on the tablet market with absolutely no competition. In summary, the Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is a robust, feature-rich tablet offering exceptional durability and performance, making it perfect for professionals and adventurers in challenging conditions. So the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them, hurry up and get your new Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this exceptional tablet. That will be all from me for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your attention and see you soon in the next video review. Bye.